Build-A-Billy, the making of a Thunderbike Harley-Davidson flathead. This is the story of how our winter bike came to life, an idea born in fog, where the public decides the winner. We wanted something bold, something no one expected from us. So we chose to build an extreme old-school chopper, our first ever, and we based it on a true Harley-Davidson flathead, a bike rarely customized in Germany. Back at the shop, we tore the old machine down to the frame. Our vision: a super narrow silhouette, a high-mounted peanut tank, slim T or Z bars, and tall skinny wheels wrapped in classic Firestone zigzag tires, a rockabilly-style chopper brought back from another era. But sandblasting revealed 67 years of scars. The frame was nearly junk. Instead of scrapping it, we rebuilt it completely, replacing every tube and reshaping the frame the old-school way. We narrowed the tank, hand-made a curved oil tank, and rebuilt the front end using parts of a DKW fork. Slowly, the flathead transformed into something unique. A 1941 Harley-Davidson All with a flathead SV74 engine, magneto ignition, SU carburetor, drum brakes. A complete lineup of Thunderbike Billy special parts: intake, muffler, tank, oil tank, handlebar, foot pegs, fender, sissy bar, and electrics. Finished with a custom leather seat and a classic cruise design paint job. From a forgotten flathead to a unique prize-winning chopper, this is Build-A-Billy, a tribute to craftsmanship, history, and pure old-school attitude.